This is an automatic tank cleaning machine with a pressure of 30 bars, a flow rate of 170 liters per minute, and a cleaning radius of 9 meters. It is suitable for cleaning gas station tanks, vehicle-mounted tanks, large oil storage tanks, and similar storage tanks. The automatic tank cleaning system adopts a fully automatic cleaning, dirt suction, oil-water separation, and water circulation system. During cleaning, the pressurized water is pushed into the three-dimensional rotating cleaning nozzle by the booster pump. The pressurized water jet drives the nozzle to automatically rotate 360 degrees spherically to spray, which can clean the inner wall of the tank without dead ends. The sludge, bacteria, dirt and other dirt on the tank wall are all washed away. After cleaning, the oil at the bottom of the tank and the wastewater from the tank cleaning can be effectively extracted. Through the three-phase separation of solids, oil and water, the water can reach the national emission standards through precision filtration. It can be customized according to the specific requirements of customers and the cleaning site.